My name is Burt Hovis, manager at MFG Tray Company for material handling and industrial products. We are a material handling solutions provider, molding composite containers, trays, and custom items for a variety of industries. We have over 300 standard configurations and sizes available to suit various customer applications. Customers choose MFG Tray composite products because they are long-lasting and possess superior physical properties such as temperature rating, chemical resistance, and high weight capacity over thermoplastic items. MFG products are made to last in severe environments and heavy-duty applications, yielding a high return on investment. We also have customer reports of products lasting for as long as 15 years in use without requiring replacement. We welcome the opportunity to review your material handling and storage problem to recommend a solution. Please feel free to contact me for a newly updated material handling product catalog or a free sample to test for fit and function in your application.